Gamers make bank, and I mean that. Whether it's an esports player making $150,000 per competition, or whether it be a regular Twitch streamer like Ninja making over $500,000 a month from just playing games. And that's crazy how much money they're making. But the question is, can anybody make money? The answer is Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Scarcity Lifestyle, where we talk all things fitness, finance, and I guess now sometimes maybe even games. Guys, today's video is very interesting because I was thinking about that recently when I came across an article. But like, gaming is very big on the internet, especially because many people just game all the time. And then you may be wondering, how is it possible that these people are in their house just gaming, playing video games, and having other people watch them, and they're making more money than somebody who's out doing construction or out doing different stuff, even more than a doctor? That's crazy to think about, but it makes a lot of sense, and I want to talk about that in today's video. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, because here on the channel we talk all about these kinds of things. We do social experiments, we talk about mindset, we want to indulge into how ways that we can make money. Guys, if that interests you at all, go ahead and press on that subscribe button, like this video if you haven't already. And if you didn't know, we are on the week of Christmas, so we're gonna become a little festive. Boom. For the next for the next 3 videos, I'm gonna be wearing this for Christmas. Alright guys. Gaming, online gaming. How do people even make money playing games? Now, in what is the rabbit hole that is YouTube, I did a little investigating myself, and I found out that there's 4 ways, if we're focusing on the area of Twitch. How do Twitch streamers make money? There are 4 ways. The first way is through donations, which you probably know what it is. It's like a GoFundMe almost, but like someone's streaming and then someone can go and donate to them directly, and that is a way that they make money. Now that is money, but it's not like a lot of money. That is one way that they can make money, right? It's something small. But then the second way is a little bit bigger, which is through ads. Ads are a little bit more constant. At the beginning of a video, maybe you go onto a YouTube video, and have you ever wondered why you see an ad in the beginning of the video, or maybe even in between the video, or if the video is long enough, multiple ads throughout the video? It's because from those, the platform, whether it be Twitch or whether it be YouTube, they make money from that. From those ads, they pay the creator, the content creator. So that's why it's always better to, watch 15 seconds of an ad. That way the person can go ahead and get some extra money. But on Twitch, they have a little bit more control on how many ads you get to see. So that's the second way that they make money. It's a little bit more than the donations, but it's still pretty good. But the way that they make the most amount of money, especially on Twitch, is through subscriptions. Subscriptions are insane. Know this. On Twitch, if you want to subscribe to a channel, it's not like on YouTube where you can just press the subscribe button. On Twitch, there's a fee of $5.99 where you pay to be subscribed to your favorite content creator. And what that basically means is that you get a few bonuses, a few perks. You get a couple emotes that represent the channel, and you get to have those. And the thing is, the Twitch does take a percentage of that. They take about half, so they take about $2.50. So the content creator gets about $2.50. And now if we were to multiply that by 1,000, that's approximately $2,500 a month from just the subscriptions, if they had just 1,000 subscribers. Imagine that. From just Twitch streaming, people are making more money than the minimum wage here in California, which is like $13.25, where they just work for 40 hours and they make like $2,100. But from just playing games, they can make more from that, just from having 1,000 subscribers and having constant viewers. That's a lot. Then the final part is through sponsors, which is a pretty vague area, because it's always disclosed, so you don't really know exactly how much. They don't know how much they're making. It's kind of difficult. It's kind of a gray area. But I'm making today's video because I want to do a little bit of a social experiment, because the question is, can anybody do it? The answer is, anybody can succeed, but not everyone will. Because everything that happens on the internet, everything that you do on the internet, it always starts as a hobby. Remember that. It starts as a hobby. Right now, I'm making these videos as a hobby. I'm not making anything from them. They're fun for me, and I enjoy relaying some information. But all of these things are just hobbies at the moment. Eventually, the goal is for this to maybe take off, right? To become a business. Think of this like a business. But it's just something small at the moment. Same thing goes with gaming. They say if you stream on Twitch, you stream on YouTube, or wherever it may be, it's strictly a hobby. So guys, I want to actually test that out. I want to see, can you actually make money? Can someone random on the internet just start gaming and make money? I want to do this social experiment, and this is not really going to be 30 days. This is probably going to be about 2 months, because it takes a little bit of time before you get approved and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start streaming on Twitch and on YouTube. I'm going to do it 4 times a week. Yeah, it's just going to be about an hour, so it's not really going to be a lot of time, but it's going to be an hour each stream, and we're going to see how well it goes. Feel free to hop on. I'm going to be doing it on my second channel, which is Scarcity Gaming. There you can be able to join and see what I'll be doing. Different kinds of games, FPS. Hopefully it's fun, hopefully it's exciting. But guys, that is what I'm gonna be doing. Why? Because it intrigues me to know, do people actually make a lot of money? I just want to know. I just really want to know. But guys, we're gonna find out together. So guys, hop on board to this. That's gonna be it for today's video. We're gonna be doing something interesting these upcoming days. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Check out my second channel, it's gonna be linked in the description, or you can see it right here. And with that, I'll see you next time.